बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। Dear second year students, today we will start exercise 2.4. In this exercise, we have calculate derivative as we have calculated in last exercise, but the difference is that in exercise 2.2 we have to calculate derivative by making suitable substitutions in the following given functions defined below. For example, this is question number 1. It has 5 parts. Part number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In first part, y is equal to square root 1 minus x over 1 plus x. In second part, you can see here x plus square root x whole power 1 by 2. While in third, x square root a plus x over a minus x. In fourth one, y is equal to 3x square minus 2x plus 7 whole power 6. In fifth part, a square plus x square over a square minus x square whole power 1 by 2. So first of all, we will solve first part of question number 1. Question number 1, we have to calculate derivative by making suitable substitutions. Y is equal to 1 minus x or 1 plus x whole power 1 by 2 or whole square root. So first of all, put u is equal to, take any a, b, c, d or u which you like, you feel easy. I have taken here u is equal to 1 minus x or 1 plus x. So it means that y is equal to square root u and y is equal to u raised to power 1 by 2 as value of square root is 1 by 2. So now differentiate u with respect to x. This one is u. Okay. Now du over dx left hand side, while right hand side d over dx 1 minus x or 1 plus x, its value of u written here. So now think about it. Which rule is applicable on it to calculate its derivative? Yes, we have learned about power rule, product rule and quotient rule. When two terms are in denominator form, one is in numerator and second one is in denominator, then we will use quotient rule. So now by applying quotient rule, the denominator term write first as it is derivative of numerator term minus numerator term as it is and derivative of denominator term, and all these terms are divided by square of the denominator. Okay, after that simple calculation, 1 plus x as it is and derivative of 1 minus x is derivative of x with respect to itself minus 1, minus sign as it is 1 minus x and derivative of x with respect to itself is 1, and all these terms are in whole denominator there is 1 plus x whole square as it is. While in next step simple calculation, minus 1 minus x minus 1 plus x, as when you open this bracket, due to this minus, the minus inside the bracket becomes plus and it becomes minus 1 plus x as written here. Minus 1 minus 2, while minus x plus x cancel out. So left behind du over dx is equal to minus 2 over 1 plus x square. Now differentiate y with respect to u. This is y. Okay, we have differentiate u with respect to x as x is present here. Now we are going to differentiate y with respect to u. So let's see. dy over du is equal to d over du, u raised to power 1 by 2. So now you can use power rule and after that differentiate u with respect to itself. And what's power rule? N x n minus 1. So let's see in next step. One by 2, u raised to power of u is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, left behind minus 1 by 2. This is minus 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 and value of u is 1 minus x or 1 plus x whole power minus 1 by 2. So on left hand side, dy over du as it is, 1 by 2 as it is, 1 plus x. To convert this minus 1 by 2 into plus 1 by 2, replace numerator with denominator. Now 1 plus x is written in numerator and 1 minus x is written in denominator, and whole power becomes from minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2. Now by chain rule, you know about chain rule, dy over dx is equal to dy over du into du over dx. This is chain rule. Chain rule you have learned about chain rule in your first year, in your 10th class. 1 by 2, 1 plus x or 1 minus x raised to power 1 by 2, derivative of y with respect to u and derivative of u with respect to x, minus 2 over 1 plus x whole square. So now simple calculation. This 2 is cancelled out with this numerator 2. Okay. 1 plus x power 1 by 2 written separately, 1 minus x power 1 by 2 written separately, while here left behind minus 1 written here and 1 plus x whole square written as it is. So now simple calculation. Minus 1 written in numerator, while in denominator 1 minus x power 1 by 2, 1 plus x power is square minus 1 by 2. When this term come in numerator, its power 1 by 2 becomes minus 1 by 2. So final we have answer minus 1 over square root 1 minus x into 1 plus x, 2 minus 1 by 2, it becomes 3 by 2. So it is our final answer. Now second part of question number 1. Y is equal to x plus square root x whole power 1 by 2. So now suppose as it's given in question, by making suitable substitution, so u is equal to x plus square root x, and this we can write it as x plus x raised to power 1 by 2, and y is equal to square root u and y is equal to u raised to power 1 by 2. Now differentiate u with respect to x. Differentiate u with respect to x. This one is u and this one is in its equality on right hand side there is x. So now differentiate u with respect to x. So on left hand side du over dx is equal to derivative of this complete term x plus square root x written here. So we can take as we know, derivative is a linear function and it can operate separately on all terms. So the derivative of x with respect to itself is 1, and the derivative of x raised to power 1 by 2 by power rule 1 by 2 x raised to power 1 by 2 minus 1, remaining minus 1 by 2. Okay. So we can write it as 1 plus 1 over 2 square root x as power x raised to minus 1 by 2 written in denominator in plus 1 by 2 form. So by taking LCM, it becomes as 2 square root x plus 1 divided by 2 square root x. Now differentiate y with respect to x. No, there is not x. Now differentiate y with respect to u. Okay, it's u, it's not x. Differentiate y with respect to u as y is equal to u raised to power 1 by 2. So that's why differentiate y with respect to u. Here you write u, it's not x. So dy over du is equal to derivative of u raised by 1 by 2 with respect to itself. Okay, d over du, u raised by 1 by 2. So we can say the derivative of u with respect to itself. So we can easily take derivative as we know n x n minus 1 by using that rule, that is not power rule, 1 by 2 u raised to power minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 left behind, u raised to power minus 1 by 2. So 1 over 2 u raised to power 1 by 2, 1 over 2 as it is written here, and power of u is minus 1 by 2. When it written in denominator, it becomes plus 1 by 2, and 1 over 2 value of u is x plus square root x raised to power 1 by 2. So dy over du is equal to 1 over 2 x plus square root x and power 1 by 2. X plus square root x, its power is 1 by 2. Okay, with bracket you can write separately. If you write in power 1 by 2, then you must put a bracket between 2 and x plus square root x, so that it's clear that power 1 by 2 is only for x plus square root x, not including 2. So now by chain rule, you know about chain rule, dy over dx is equal to dy over du dot du over dx. Okay, so 1 over 2 x plus square root x, this is the derivative of y with respect to u, and derivative of u with respect to x written here. We have calculated both. This one is derivative of y with respect to u, and on last slide we have calculated derivative of u with respect to x, that is this one. So now we can write in this form 2 2s are 4 at square root x plus square root x, and in numerator 2 square root x plus 1. This is final answer of question number 1 part 2. Now question number 3, question number 1 part 3, that is y is equal to x into a plus x or a minus x power 1 by 2, or you can read it as y is equal to x square root a plus x or a minus x. Now so same procedure, first of all put u is equal to a plus x or a minus and x, after that y is equal to x square root u x u 1 by 2, differentiate with respect to x, differentiate y with respect to x, right? dy over dx is equal to d over dx x u 1 by 2, same procedure. Now simple calculation, a minus x plus x minus x plus x cancel out, only 2a left behind, 2a over a minus x whole square, using value of u and d over dx in equation 1. So we can write dy over dx is equal to this one. So it can be written as a plus x power minus 1 by 2 over a minus x power minus 1 by 2, ax over a minus x square plus a plus x 1 by 2 over a minus x raised to power 1 by 2. This 2 is cancelled out with this one, and left behind, after simple calculation, ax written as it is, while a plus x raised to power minus 1 by 2, and there is a plus x raised to power 1 by 2. When written in denominator, its power becomes plus 1 by 2. A minus x raised to power minus 1 by 2, a minus x power square, both will be added to minus 1 by 2, and left behind 3 by 2, plus this written as it is, ax over a plus x power 1 by 2, a minus x raised to power 3 by 2 plus a plus x power 1 by 2 over a minus x power 1 by 2. So you can write in LCM form a plus x power 1 by 2 into a minus x power 1 by 2 as it is. After taking LCM, you have final this step, ax plus x into a minus x. This is simple LCM step. So now dy over dx is equal to ax plus a square minus x square over a plus x raised to power 1 by 2 and a minus x raised to power 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2. So this is our calculated derivative after suitable substitutions. Now it's your homework, solve part number 4 and 5 yourself. Fi amanillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.